My name is Aditya. I'm from Arupadai Vidu Institute of Technology. The university is Vinayaka Missions University. About my college, I'd like to say in points: good campus, nice environment, crowd is good, the faculties are very helpful, and it makes an overall very decent campus to live in. And it's just like my second home being here.
Which are the company interviews you attended?
This was my first company and the only one company in which I attended my interview, Infosys.
What did they ask you in the interview?
The moment I entered in the panel, actually I was the first one to get into that interview panel. He asked me about my personal questions, about my father, what do we do, and some questions based on my projects and all the things which I did. All the things which were mentioned in my resume, they asked only from that.
What was the project?
My project was on OCR, that was optical character recognition. It was developed in Java. It was basically to trace the character from an image file and then make a different file for it, so that if a user want to trace some character from an image, he can trace that image and use it in another way. The example of it is when the number plate system in which we are having in the cars and the bikes. If we want to trace the numbers from that nameplate by taking a photograph JPG file from that, so we can do it by that project.
Do you think a good project would have helped you to get through the interview?
Surely, if differs you from the others is your project, because everyone goes through the same process of being an engineer. But when you go through a project, when the project of yours is innovative and out of the box project, it makes you different from the other people who are there in the panel with you for the interview.
What made you to go through the interview?
Self-belief and confidence. That's what.